Hello all. So this is the project idea for sentimental analysis platform with the help of pretend models like text blob and Vedar. We have created a hybrid approach for sentimental analysis of review. Okay. So this is the web interface, web application which we have created to demonstrate the sentimental analysis on some online products. Okay. So this is basically a home page for our project. To put a review or get the sentimental analysis, we have to create an account. First we have to create an account. This is the account creation page where you can put information and you will get to go for the login. Okay, so this is the login page where you can put your create account credential and you can get the access for the dashboard. So this is the customer dashboard. So here whatever customer or whatever user will give the reviews for the any product, that will appear here with the help with the their sentimental score. Okay, they can also browse a product. Okay, we have added some products. We have created an admin functionality also. From there complete crude operation can be performed on products. Okay, product category which you can filter out with any number of categories. Okay, whatever number of categories you will be at, it will dynamically appear here. Okay, and you can also filter from the name. So let's suppose I have this iPhone 16 which I want to give a review. So this is the iPhone 16. Okay, so here I can put the review. Okay, and it will accordingly it will calculate the ratings and do the sentimental analysis. Okay, let's search some iPhone good reviews. Okay, and let's copy from internet only. This is the iPhone. Okay, so this is the one of the kind of a bad review. So let's copy this one. Okay, and let's try our sentimental analysis. Let's copy it and paste into the model. Okay, so as you can see, it was look like a bad review for the iPhone. Okay, and as you can see, our model is also predicting this is a negative review and it should be have 3 rating out of 5, and its negative score is minus 0.2. Okay, so I can select any rating and then I can submit it. Okay, once you submit, then it will give you overall sentimental overview for this particular product by analyzing all the reviews whatever customer or whatever users will put. You can have it here. Okay, so as you can see, it was overall score is almost negative, 100% negative, because as of now I have added only one review. If other users added some more reviews, so accordingly it will increase the sentimental analysis as per the reviews. Okay, now let's put some good review. Okay, it look like some good positive review kind of. Okay, let's put this one. So as you can see, it was look like a positive. So algorithm is also predicting this is a positive review, almost 0.5 score is there. Okay, so let's suppose select some rating and submit it. Okay, so as you can see, there is a 50% negative review and 50% positive review because we have added one negative and one positive. So this way you can put the reviews and you will have the sentimental analysis with the help of text blob and vendor with our model. Okay, and in dashboard you will be able to see all reviews which you have been posted and all products. Okay, and categories, and you can also try some review directly here. You can type any text and you will get live sentimental analysis score. Okay, so this is the dashboard for the user. So user can do this operation like they can search for product, they can put the reviews. Okay, and they can have the complete product overview based on all sentimental analysis. Okay, similarly we have one admin portal. So for the admin portal, the credentials are admin and admin at 123. You can simply log in with the admin credential. Let me put the admin credential. Okay, So this is the admin credential and just logged in. So admin will also have the same dashboard, and apart from this dashboard, admin will have one more admin panel. So the admin panel is here, this one. So you have to click on drop down and then you have to click to admin dashboard. So this is the admin portal where you will have the platform analysis, total number of users, total product, and you can also view all reviews. In manage reviews, you will have the all reviews analysis like neutral, positive, and total reviews. And if you want to check particular score, ki how it got predicted, so you can click to this action button. It will give the complete positive sentimental analysis or combined score, ki what was the weather analysis and what was the text block analysis. And here is the formula which we have combined score formula which we have used to make the prediction by a hybrid approach. Okay, and you can also see the full comment, okay, from this particular block. So this is for the admin reviews, and in case of product ad, so you have to go to product section, okay, or you have to go to dashboard, okay, admin dashboard, okay, admin panel, and then you have to click to add new product. So in the new product category, you can add any product. Let's suppose a laptop, okay, and you can select the category and you can put some price, okay. And for the image, you can put any image from Google, okay. Let's suppose search some gaming laptop, okay. Let's suppose I want to use this image. So you just have to copy the image link and you have to paste it here, okay, and it will automatically appear here, and then you just have to submit it, okay. So this way you can simply add a new product which will be automatically added in the system, and then users can put the reviews accordingly. And in the product section, the admin will also have the overall sentimental score for every product. This is overall about the project for the sentimental score.
So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.